Hi, I'm going to talk about an app that we built in yesterday's Hack Day event. It's called Trefan. It actually solves a pain point that we find in all audio conferencing solutions. The current audio conferencing involves people have to dial into a bridge number. They have to remember the dial-in number based on the city or location they are based out of, and then there's a PIN number, and a host has to initiate the conference until that others can't converse. Or if you want to have a conference by yourself, you dial in people one by one, put each of them on hold, and then have a conference. It's actually painful to have a 10-minute conference call. You would be actually spending 3 to 4 minutes in just setting up. Trefan actually simplifies it by allowing you to create groups of people whom you have conference with, and then with a single click of a button you can actually talk to them. We use cloud telephony on the back end, so which actually helps us in creating multiple calls in a single shot. So I'll show you a demo of the app. So this is how the home screen looks like. Basically, it's inspired by WhatsApp, where you actually have groups of people whom you have a conversation usually with, and then it can be categorized easily. For example, I open my family group. So this has people taken from the phone book. It actually shows the name and phone numbers. You can easily add a contact from your phone book like this. So I can just select a contact and then it becomes part of the group. So if I want to make a call to this group, all I have to do is press call. When I press call, we actually use the phone's data connection to send the information of people whom the call must be made to our servers. Only till this point, actually we need a data connection. After this, everything happens over normal telephone calls. It happens over Ideas and Vodafones of the world. So if the except me, who is the initiator of the call in this case, all others can have any kind of phone, any kind of OS, everything is independent of them. So I will give you a demo by pressing the call. So a call is actually being made from our servers now. Let's see what happens. So I got the call. So these actually three numbers are in this conference as of now. So if I attend the call in each of them, the moment I attend, we are all in a conference. So it's like it took me like 5 seconds from going from like no conference to a conference. This is what we meant by like simplest possible way to making a conference. And then you can actually have an option to see the call logs. It's like your previous conversations will be like shown like sequentially, so you can listen to the audio records of them. So this is like simple app. Like you just have 3 screens and it solves the point. Like this we built over a day, and with the help of Exotel's API, we were able to finish the the minimal viable product for this idea. And then in future we are planning to add stuff like if the other person also has the Trefan call installed, when the conference call is made, you can actually snooze the call, saying that if for a certain meeting and you wanna postpone the call by 5 minutes, you can just say call me after 5 minutes. Or other option can be other feature could be like, in this case the initiator must have a smartphone to use this app. It's an Android app in this case. If you can make this possible with SMS based interface, you just key in like 5 people's number or SMS, and then the same thing happens. Or it could be a Chrome add-on or extension where just over web you can initiate this stuff. So I hope you liked this app, and thanks for voting for us in yesterday's Hack Day event. Thanks.